Let's draw a person out of shapes. Let's start. Slowly but surely, we have an oval. We have the oval and that's the belly. Slowly but surely, we just created the belly of a person through an oval. Now let's attach a circle on top. Slowly but surely, we have the head, and that's a circle. So funny. Now let's draw the eyes. What do we need? We need 2 dots. Slowly but surely, dot. Slowly but surely, the second dot. And we have 2 eyes. That's amazing. Now let's draw the mouth. We need a line. Slowly but surely, there's a mouth. Now let's draw the nose. Slowly but surely, there's the nose. That's amazing. Let's attach 2 other lines so we'll have 2 hands. Slowly but surely, there's 1 hand. Slowly but surely, there's the other hand. And now let's attach the legs. We need some other 2 lines. Slowly but surely, we have 1 leg. Slowly but surely, another leg. And we have a person, and we draw it with shapes. That's amazing. Should we add a hat? What do we need for a hat? We need a triangle. Let's add the hat. Slowly but surely, this person has a hat. That's amazing. We have so many shapes. We have an oval, we have 1 circle, 2 dots, so many lines, and even a triangle. You should try it too. Start drawing it. Bye-bye.